Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see today from the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a lock takedown. My cousin has had these locks in for about 3 months. I need y'all to bear with me because I never did a voiceover this long. So we're gonna jump right into it. As you can see, I'm trying to unravel the hair that I covered her natural hair with. I'm going to take my scissors, cut that, and then start unraveling. And I know this video might be moving a little fast, but I did slow it down for you guys in another clip that's coming up. Again, you're just going to find that piece of hair, whether it was Marley twist or Cuban twist hair that you covered the natural hair with. You're just gonna find a piece of that, separate it, make sure it's not by the natural braid, snip that, and then unravel it. I'm struggling a little bit with this. Like I said, she's had these locks in for about 3 months. We have not touched these locks up. The natural state of these particular locks are like they get very natural, very tropical. They have curly ends. They will be linked in my description if you guys want to purchase. They are on Amazon. So yeah, you see we got the lock off, and that's her natural braid. And with this method, I did like the tuck over method. So I plaited her hair and then I crocheted the lock into her natural braid, and then I crocheted the natural braid in her root so it could be not as long, but she does have natural long hair. So yeah, I'm trying to give y'all a close-up. And this is where I slow it down for you guys. So I'm on my next lock. I'm just filling through the hair to separate the natural hair from the wrap hair. Once you find that hair, you're gonna see me put like my finger in between to separate. Once you have that separated, grab your scissors. Look, you can see if you have to just untwist it a little bit, unwind it, you will be able to pull out the fake hair. You see right there, I put my finger in it, separate it. Then that hair that I'm going to snip is the synthetic hair that I wrapped on top of her natural hair in the lock. So once you snip that, all you have to do is unravel that hair from the root. And then once you're done with your whole head, you can go ahead and unravel it off the lock. This way, these locks can be reused, and it's super easy and super time efficient and definitely affordable. I believe we have used she's ordered these locks about 3 times. Not all 3 times did she have to order new locks because we always have extra. I believe we only use about 2.5 packs to do her style. I actually call these chili locks because she always get these, and we don't do small parts. She love like the thicker look, so once they get old they actually look really natural, and she always get compliments. You know, people always think these are her natural locks because how realistic they look. Again, they will be listed in the description, linked in my Amazon store. And I don't know, somebody from Marathon, Florida. I don't know, probably. Oh, I think that's the doctor's office, but guess what? I ain't gonna answer. You know, I'm sick of them right now.
Don't kill me.
Busy at the moment. Please leave a message.
She ain't busy, she lying. She's just lying. Crypto monthly statement.
Mo Shala. You said you got a box. Oh, for Amazon. What you ordered? Girl, these people, hopefully I get all the content. These people on YouTube gonna be like, you look like you calling her head rough. And ain't, she is built for it tough. Woo! And now we are done removing the locks. It wasn't a lot of work. With that technique, it's super easy, and like I said, very time efficient. And now it is time to take these braids down. Like I told y'all before, these braids have been in for about 3 months. She is terrible when it comes to getting a new style. She does not like to sit, and she wants something that's gonna last her for a minute. Like I said, these locks are her go-to style, but we're gonna go ahead and get into taking these braids down. You can take them out dry, or you could take them out with some leave-in. Me, I took the back out with some leave-in conditioner so I can better separate the debris the debris and the dirt from the hair, and also detangle it before I wash her hair. She did take out some braids in the front, so they didn't have no leave-in conditioner, but either way it's fine. It really just depends on your hair type and your hair texture. You know, you want to prevent hair breakage as much as excuse me, as much as possible. So as you can see right here, I'm going in with that leave-in conditioner so I can try to comb out that lint and everything that's stuck at the top. And yeah, I'm just gonna let the video play out. All right, you guys, everything is out, the locks, the braids, and it is detangled. That is the hair that she has lost within 3 months, which I feel like is a good amount of hair. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys use this method, please drop a comment down below, like, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.